Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see a Whatnot sell-in tutorial. Firstly, open the Whatnot app and tap the plus sell button at the bottom of the screen. Tap Get Started to begin. Review Whatnot's community guidelines and tap Agree to confirm you follow them. Now pick the category you'll sell in most often, like collectibles, fashions, or electronics. Then some categories require choosing a subcategory. Now, select the option that best matches your level of experience, like new seller, casual, or experienced, and enter your average monthly sales revenue if applicable. Now select the platforms you've sold on before, like eBay, Etsy, or in-person events, and pass your social media links if you use them to promote or sell. Double-check that links are correct and enter your full legal name. Add a return address and submit your application. You'll be redirected to Seller 101, a short required tutorial. Just once completed, you'll be able to go live and create listings after approval. And that's it, your seller application is submitted and approved. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.